we have our iPhone 7 Plus. So if you guys watched my last video on this, and I know it's been a while, but we're trying to make this the most customized iPhone 7 Plus around. So right now we have the Apple logo, which glows, and we also have the speaker mod, which I kind of botched. It's supposed to be on both sides. It's only on one. What we're gonna be doing now is I asked you guys which housing you like the most out of these three. They're all gold. They have pretty cool designs, but obviously there has to be a winner, and you guys chose this one, which I agree. This is beautiful. So we're gonna be using this one. While we're doing this, we're also going to be installing the speaker mod properly to get it to look like that. And I think it'll be the most customized iPhone 7 Plus around. There's a lot more stuff we're gonna do in the future, but this is probably gonna be the highlight. So this already comes with the volume buttons pre-installed, which saves me an insane amount of time. It also comes with the NFC chip, which is right over here. So we're gonna move these guys out of here. That was kind of rough. And we're going to get this opened up and start transferring all the parts over here and make this thing great again. So I left out the bottom screws last time because I knew I would be back in this thing. So we're just going to open it up and we're just going to remove the battery, remove the screen, and we'll put that aside. Now we can start to remove all the little parts, which again, I didn't install properly. So it's gonna be easy to do. Unscrew. We're gonna start off by unscrewing the antenna. Remove the antenna. Now we can unscrew everything else. So I actually broke the volume buttons and the power button last time. Not my proudest moment, but I don't really care because this comes with another one, so problem solved. I just lost a screw. Yeah, that was fun. It just went flying. Did you guys hear that? Remove our logic board. This is a 7 Plus logic board. It's very beautiful. Put that over there. Now we can unscrew the charging port. We're just gonna hit that with the unscrew. Remove the loudspeaker. Now we can just pull off our charging port. There we go. Came off fairly easily. Now we're gonna remove the back-facing camera. Now we have all the parts laid out, very organized, as you can see. Not really, but whatever. What we're gonna do now is reinstall everything onto this beautiful gold housing. Bruh, come on, please. There we go. If only it was real gold. What? It is real gold. Of course, we have some residue from the sticker. What we're gonna do is take a toothbrush and some ISO alcohol. I'll be back. I found my little bottle, so we're just gonna squirt some alcohol. And instead of using the toothbrush, I'm just gonna do this. Damn, that's really cool. It's 24 karat gold, guys, 100% legit. No cap, facts, no printer.
No cap, facts, no printer.
So now we have to remove the Apple logo. And it just comes, I didn't have to do anything. I don't know if that's like considered cheap, but for me that's a huge favor because now I don't have to do anything at all. So we're gonna take our Apple logo mod thing and we're just gonna put it back on like that. I don't know how I feel about that. I really don't know how I feel about that. What we're gonna do is install the charging port first. Okay, so I brought a donor housing, so we're gonna use these screws instead of this mess over here because I don't know what goes where and I don't really want to put stuff in the wrong place. Apparently I'm saying shuriken wrong. Actually, let's find out how you say that.
Shuriken.
Shuriken? That sounds too white.
Shuriken.
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 Shuriken. That doesn't sound right. I don't know if it's a Japanese word. I think it is. But if you know how to say it, put a comment down below and tell me how to say it so I don't say it wrong. Anyway, it's time to install the charging port. So we're just gonna put this over here. So we now have our charging port installed. We're just gonna go ahead and install the logic board. Gonna install that. We have pretty much everything we need to be installed right now before we can actually install the mods. So first things first, oh, chill out, alcohol. We're gonna take our speaker mod and we're gonna get this installed. So these are extremely flimsy and they break so easily. So it's important to be super careful. the way these work is this flips over. Does it flip over? Remove the speaker module on the lightning cable assembly. Remove the small black adhesive strip at the speaker module exit. The contact point of the music line lamp is aligned to the lighting. The bell contact points of the cable assembly are tightly pressed with 3M double adhesive. Fixed vertical taillights fold alignment, speaker sound outlet position. Install loudspeaker module. That was a lot of words, but I didn't understand anything. So we're gonna put this here and this down here. What we're actually gonna do is, and I don't recommend this if you're doing this mod, to make our lives a little easier, I'm just gonna remove this entire thing so that the mod is completely visible and nothing is obstructing how beautiful it is. Remove. This is really not practical though, because dirt and water can pass through a lot easier. Modding is more important than the phone's safety. So we're gonna grab some tape. I got some tape, and what I'm gonna do is just basically align the two. What it does is it basically steals a tiny bit of power from the speaker, and that allows it to power the LEDs. LEDs do not take a significant amount of power, so it doesn't really interrupt normal functions. But me running the Apple logo and this is kind of risky. Could cause a short or just cause a bunch of reboots, but you know, it's totally worth it. There we go. That looks about right. It looks so ghetto. Okay, we're gonna put the speaker on. Now we'll take the Taptic engine. We'll put that on. Okay, so we now have almost everything installed that we need to be installed. Everything is coming together and it does look pretty nice. The white matches the white on the sides. That is looking good. So all that's left to do is basically put on this Apple logo mod, and we're gonna find out and see if we completely broke everything or things still work. So I need to put some adhesive on this. We'll get a little bit of Tessa tape just to make sure that it sticks. So I'm just gonna put this over here. So I'm gonna be using a new battery because the old one is kind of crappy. Basically, I have to put it on the screen first. Also guys, while you're here, comment what you think I should do for the next mod below. I wanna do something with the screen, maybe make it see-through, or yeah, I think see-through would be good. That, and I can add a wireless charger. So I'm gonna plug in the battery, and oh my God, this looks so good. It actually looks really, really good. Power on the device. Oh, we have the charging logo symbol. It's kind of hard to see, but it is there. So we're gonna give it maybe like 2 or 3 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and see if everything is working as it should. Okay, so we got the phone on. This was long. This took a long time, so I'm kind of tired now. So excuse my lack of energy. But we got the phone on. The Apple logo is flashing, doing its thing. Never works anyway. And the speaker mod is working completely. Are you kidding me? I just did all that. The loudspeaker lights are working. Everything is working. It's time to get that crunch. I feel like this crunch is gonna break everything. Get that crunch. Crunch again. Check this out guys, the SIM card has a bunch of diamond little things on it. I don't know how long they'll stick for, but that's really cool. Even the bottom screws are made out of gold as well, 24 karat gold, you know the vibes. So we're gonna this video is gonna be so hard to edit. We're gonna put in our bottom gold screws. This actually feels really nice guys, I can't lie. This is a super cool phone. Damn, that is beautiful. I'm impressed with myself actually. Check this out. That is gorgeous. I'm gonna turn off the lights. We're gonna have a little light show, and then we're gonna head out. Anyway guys, that is all for today. That was a journey and that took a long time, but that was worth it. This is the most customized phone I've ever made in my life. Let me know guys what you want to see next. This actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I'm so happy that these speakers are working. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.